I never thought I'd miss you half as much as I do.
And I never thought I'd feel this way, the way I feel about you.
Community is what makes a school more than just buildings, textbooks, and exams. It's the friendships we build, the teachers who guide us, and the shared experiences that shape us.
It must be love, love, love.
Your teachers are here to inspire and guide you. Your friends are here to encourage you. As William Yeats said, education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. So make this year about making sparks fly and ignite the fires of curiosity.